Hello everybody, welcome back to the Forzathon Weekly Challenge. We're actually in the summer season of the brand new chapter, brand new series, the Japanese Automotive. So the prize cars for this the prize cars for this series for the Subaru WRX from 22 and the Nissan Sentra, which I believe the Sentra is in the backstage pass. I think it is. Am I wrong?
I don't think you're wrong.
Yeah, I think it is in the. But regardless, we're going to start this week off with the trial, which actually involves anything from Japan that is 800. Which I think what I'm going to be doing for all three of these events is I'm going to be using a specific car. I'm pretty much going to be looking at it. Okay. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this this trial.
So I wasn't originally going to choose this car. I chose this car on accident, but
Oh my god. Good. Go away, Tegan.
yeah, I was going to choose the Sentra Nismo.
Oh my lord.
What? Oh, okay, I don't have speed. I have power, but I don't have speed.
I do remember about that car.
Whoops. Oh, no, I have acceleration.
Yeah, no, you have hella acceleration. But top speed?
And I'm topped out. I think that's the only thing holding me up is my acceleration. Oh, fuck.
Ah!
Sorry, Val.
Ah. That's a technical foul. I love this car. It just... I did not mess with the transmission. Okay, can we... I mean, I'm not worried about beating them. Because we are winning. So there's that. I just... would like to. I would like to. At least me. Okay, I was that close to Pablo, you... It's okay. I got us some extra points. Everybody kind of kept up. I was impressed. Ah, you'll be fine. Jesus. Look out.
You look out. You look out.
I love how it just skyrocketed. Hey! Katya, you loser! Well, if I top out on speed, I can sandbag. Which is what I may have to do.
Ah! To your right!
Hey! No, not you. It's gotta on my left.
Look out. I will show you look out.
Yes, I mean, I'm minding my own business.
Just minding my own business when all of a sudden, this tank...
Yeah,
Holy... Okay, William's done. Cool. I don't know what happened to him, but he's done. Sort of. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look at the transmission well, this is 800 anyway, so I'll be okay. So.
Oh, fuck all of you!
What happened?
My ass went up.
Okay, so next up on our list is an event lab, yes. And you said we have to go to Event Lab Island?
Well, which one is it?
Vuku? Tokyo
Okay,
Project
no,
Circuit?
The one here is Mizo Pass. Mizo Pass is on Event Lab.
Oh.
I remember saying something the other day about that.
Oh no, they're both here. They're both here. Tokyo Project, yeah, it's here. They're both here.
Okay, well, that's Japan 700, but here we go. Oh, it's raining. Poo poo.
No, don't stop.
I already said that. I already said that.
Too late. Already been said.
No, the power to weight ratio was incredible when it came to the difference between the MX-5 and the RX-7.
Holy shit, that's a turn and a half.
What in the fuck is going on? Oh, they made it to where you have to kind of drift.
Oh, fuck this. Why?
Tokyo Project, Tokyo Drift. Okay!
That was an accident.
You don't get it. I literally explained it to you. Tokyo Drift is a Fast and Furious movie.
How was I supposed to know that?
And most people that play a racing game are Fast and the Furious junkies.
I'm not one of these people. Where the fuck? Okay, I hate this because I can't see
What the fuck?
Yeah, that turn was weird. Yeah, no, it's gonna get worse. Just so you know.
I'm sorry, just go straight into the thing. Thunk. Yeah, I don't like this either. I'm rating it a 3.
I'm waiting for the
You're giving it a higher rating than I am.
Yeah, because you are brutal when it comes to anything. You're either gonna give it a high 10 or a 0. All right, there is no in between for you.
A solid 0. A solid 0.
That's a higher rating than what I gave it.
What, the 0 is a higher rating?
Yeah, I said -2.
Oh shit. Well, she's got you beat, Wolf.
I mean, she does. She's definitely a stronger critic than I am.
In every sense of the way. I'm trying, Wolf, I'm trying! But you're just too fast!
Sense you back there.
No, what do you
Now,
mean?
as long as I can keep some distance, I'll be able to.
The map is so fucking
I'll be able to take it because you won't be able to catch me with that high acceleration you have.
Well, regardless of the acceleration, it's the fact that I'm drifting everywhere.
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
And that was an invisible!
Did you hit? Hold on, let me see
I heard,
this.
I heard him. Whoa!
Brother did hit an invisible wall. My God, my guy.
Alright, well, the next one we got to do, because this one is so low, Mazda 700 over here at the Mazda of the streets.
No.
Yes, offense?
This is an event lab? Oh, it is not. That's right.
No, it is not. Oh, hi, Wolf. I didn't know you were
Hi. Been here the whole time, buddy.
right on my ass.
Ah, sorry.
You... Wow.
No, I misinterpreted that turn entirely.
I see what you did with that MX-5. Trying to tell me something?
I know.
Are you trying to prove something?
No. Nothing I could do about that.
Nope.
I was hitting that truck regardless, so.
I mean, unless you went into the dirt to the left.
No!
Yeah, that wouldn't have been good.
See, this is pod racing.
Odd racing?
It's a Star Wars reference.
Oh.
Because I was gonna say this is a race between me and you, but it looks like I snubbed you
Yeah,
out.
yeah. You did.
Just barely though. Just barely. Just barely. And that's why I stopped there. Because I saw that boat show coming, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to take that inside line. Thank you.
Yeah. I didn't hit the vote show.
Oh, I know what you did. I saw the whole thing.
Costa del Mar.
Castillo del Mar. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah.
A nice looking RX-7 though. Wow.
Now.
Way better than mine and Taylor.
Yeah. Yeah, your RX-7 Wolf.
I mean, yeah. Yeah.
What the fuck? Medium mirror.
Just a medium mirror. You know, it's not a full-size mirror. It's not a, you know, small mirror. Uh-oh.
Excuse me, coming through. I'm on your left. Okay. Ah!
I was trying to get back on the road. I'm sorry. And I didn't want to miss the checkpoint.
Well, yeah, both are very valid.
Oh my god,
Well.
no! You piece of fuck.
Yeah, you should have taken the inside line on that one.
I was trying.
That means you had to stop more. Yeah, that's what I was telling Wolf about the last race. Sometimes you do have to stop more because of a car or because of a dumbass turn, just like that.
Yeah, yeah.
No, you made the turn. You just and he nails that car.
I scraped it.
I mean, although you know what they say.
Nobody says it. There is no they, it's just you. There is no they, it's just you. Okay? Stop it.
You know what they say.
There is no they, it's just you.
And they say
No they.
Oh,
There is no they,
Swift.
it's just you.
What the fuck are we talking about?
those with the Red Bull logo come out on top.
Stop right there. Stop right
There,
there.
there is no they, it's just you.
Red Bull's better than Monster.
Nope.
Japanese monorally. It is a dirt race.
Yesterday, I heard some owls that were in front of the house.
Oh.
And there was 2 of them. Whoa!
I'm on your right, Val.
I see that.
I was also on her right.
Oh no! Well,
I made that checkpoint! What the fuck happened?
well, your back end
I
went
know.
up. I was behind you,
Somehow.
and I kind of assisted your forward momentum, and you came out like roses, actually.
I want to know how my back end went up.
You know, all of this out of context. I'm very, like, freaked out.
Oh my god.
I don't think I have rally tires on this.
I definitely don't.
That's so weird, I did.
Then you would
Ah, cool, back
operate
on the
like a
road.
normal car. Sorry, Val.
Ow! Wait, motherfucker!
I did. I
Yeah, break,
also
motherfucker.
didn't. I did, and I also didn't.
I'm sorry.
I don't like
Get out of the
fences.
field!
Val, I'm on your left. Oh well, I just assisted Val a little bit.
I saw you. Ah!
Hey, you lost your spoiler too. Let's go.
Spoiler alert. I did.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, actually. And you
Oh my
won.
God.
Good job, Val.
Woohoo!
Very
It was
good
a heck
job.
of a race.
It
I
was.
flipped and I won.
You flipped and you won. And I missed a checkpoint and got second. Wolf, what were you doing?
Well, you know, the fields look so nice today. I thought I'd go play them for a little bit.
Flipping me over.
Yeah, but we have to do all three, don't we?
No.
Oh no, we have to do all three if it's a if it's an open horizon or whatever. Horizon open. I'm on your right. Oh my god! Okay. Ah! Val, why did you react like that?
I didn't react like anything. I was driving straight.
Valerie, are you gonna beat Harrington?
I'm trying.
Better hurry. Harrington is gonna catch up to you. We can't let Harrington win.
Shut up. If you make me laugh too much, I'm gonna lose my place.
You're gonna lose your place to Harrington! Really, Val? Oh, God. There's a lot of shit going on behind you, Val. I hope that doesn't affect Harrington!
Anything is behind me. What the hell?
I did say a lot of shit's going on behind you.
How are you able to see that?
I looked to the right a little bit. So, anything goes, 998, speed trap, and a drift zone. That's so easy, though. Easy. Easy. Literally did it in the first try. Next, drift zone. Oh, this little area right here. Oh no. Fuck me. I don't even know how many points I need actually for this drift zone. I'm just kind of being awesome at this drift zone. In a in something that Wolf or you would never expect me to be in. Trying to drift.
Oh, yeah?
I still need 9 points. Holy shit. Oh yeah, I gotta do Dusky. Oh, let me. Alright. What? Kind of bullshit.
I mean, if they were like Gran Turismo's, I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, it's just. Yeah, they're kind of dumb. Okay, you're not even versing another person. This is kind of stupid.
Ugh.
What's the point? Yeah, I don't like this. I hate life. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I'm not going to use the replay on this because I'm like half of it is suspended in the air via bridge, and it's very easy to fall off. My God, I am still not done. I am still on this stupid. It's long. Oh my God, it's almost done though. Thank fuck. It took me 3 minutes and a quarter.
Ugh.
For a sprint. Like, no, I'm not. No. I'll suck it up and do this stupid twist of freight. I remember us versing the train ourselves.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I'll see her. Oh my! Oh, no way! Did you just get taken out by that train?
Catch the train, CJ! Yeah, I was like, wait, where's the train at? Looks to my right. Right there. God bless! God, I hope to God that this run will work. And I hit the train. I still hit the train, CJ! Oh, shit. And he's way the fuck up there. And I'm still not gonna win. Oh. Oh, I actually...
I'm still not getting it with the first one.
Oh, I got it! Okay, cool. Over. Let's see here. What's this treasure thing? Star of Arian. Take your stare... Okay, so it's a ma... It's a It's a Mitsubishi Starium. Got it. So like what are we trying to get here? Like
I don't know. I just kept going by cars and eventually it said I got it. You just gotta get near misses at speed, I guess.
okay, I did it as well. Yeah, you need a Starion. Not a Starion! Oh no.
I know I need a Starion.
Walk right into it.
Jesus.
Oh, I love
No, you don't. Yay! Got the backstage pass! We completed the challenge.